recording again. So now we're going to go to the GHM, to this controller here. There's
Yep.
4 arrows.
Yep.
Up, down, left, right, the red X, and then the enter button.
Right.
Okay, there's 2 lines, the top line and the bottom line. This controller is a little different than the other one. Usually pay attention to what's on the top line. So press the first thing is we're going to make sure that the temperature and humidity sensor is reading properly. So press the down arrow until you see actual values in the top line, and then hit right.
Then hit right?
Right, yeah. Okay, so now it's reading 39 degrees Celsius. Hit the down arrow with 49% humidity. Now, do you want this in Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Fahrenheit would be better off for us, I would imagine.
Okay, so let's change this to Fahrenheit really quick. Press the red X.
Okay.
Go down until you get to service on the top line and hit right.
Okay.
Hit right. It's going to ask you for the password. It's 3795. Use the up, down, left, right arrows to put in 3795. After you put that in, press the enter button. Okay, so now you're going to scroll down until you get to select unit IPSI on the top line and hit right.
You said
select unit. Yep, right there. Now hit right.
Okay.
Now hit the down arrow until Fahrenheit. There we go, till that's on the top line. Now hit enter. You see that asterisk? That means that it's been changed to Fahrenheit.
Okay.
Now hit the red X. All right. Hit the down arrow until you see actual values in the top line and hit right. All right. Is it really that hot out? 98 degrees out?
It's pretty hot out here today.
Okay, good. Hit the left arrow one time. So we verified that the temperature humidity sensor is reading properly. So now we're going to verify the parameters at which water is being used. Okay? So hit the down arrow until you see parameters on the top line and hit right.
Until I see what?
Parameters on the top line and hit right. There, you're good. Now hit right. Okay. All right. Humidification, top line, hit right. All right. Now in this submenu, you have 3 options that trigger the water. The first one is humidification on. Go ahead and hit right.
Okay.
That's set to 90%.
Yeah.
Okay. Hit the left arrow one time. Hit the down arrow. Okay. Humidification off, top line, hit right. That's set to 80%.
Yeah.
All right. Hit the left button one time. Hit the down arrow. Now hit right. So 71. So the 3 parameters you have this set up as is 90% fan speed on, 80% fan speed off, ambient temperature 71. What does that mean? That means that if the ambient temperature is greater than 71 degrees, then and the fan speed is above 90, water is going to be used. And it's going to continue to be used until the fans drop below 80 or the ambient temperature drops below 71.
Okay.
Okay? Hit the red X. I can also see that it's in manual mode. You see it says manual mode active?
Yeah.
So let's turn manual mode off. Hit the down arrow until you get to manual mode in the top line and hit right.
Okay.
Now hit the down arrow until off is on the second line.
Wait. Do I need to arrow over on me?
No, down.
Down?
Yep.
Okay.
Off. There you go. Now hit enter. Now you see it's manual mode off. So hit the red X. So now it's saying that it's using 44.2 gallons per hour humidification on. Okay? So let's look over at the pads.
At the what?
At the adiabatic pads.
Hey, that's okay. They already had water running down them earlier, but you go
Okay. Yep, they're saturated. That's good. Those streaks are normal.
Say what? It's hard to hear.
Yeah.
You want to see the other side too?
Yep.
A little bit of a dry spot on that right one there. But.
Yeah. What you can do is you can open the top up and just make sure that there's no obstructions. There's a PVC pipe that goes all along the top. Right there with holes on it. And then just make sure, that there's no obstructions and that the unit is level.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to the controller.
Where are you at, William? You way up north or south?
Not way up north. I'm in Chicago area.
Chicago, okay.
Yeah. All right. So now let's go back into the service menu. Hit the down arrow until you get to service on the top line and hit right.
Okay, hit right.
All right, it didn't ask you for the password because it's already saved it from the last time you put it in, which is good. Go down to water parameters on the top line and hit right.
Okay.
I want to see if you know what, actually, let me hit the red X. I want to check something else out. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Go down to operating mode on the top line and hit right. Now scroll down. Again, keep going. I want to see what software version this is.
You want me to do what now?
Just keep scrolling down. I want to see what software version it is.
Okay.
All right, right there. S019. Okay, this might have a new feature. I want to check. Hit the red X.
Okay.
Go down until you get to service again on the top line and hit right.
Okay.
All right, go down to water parameters on the top line and hit right.
Okay.
Now scroll down. I want to see what options are in here. Keep going. Keep going. Again.
Increment, delay.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Again. Again. Nope, again. H2O bypass on the top line and hit right. Okay, scroll down until on is on the second line. Now hit enter. Okay, now scroll down again. All right, that's it. So you can hit, it's on. So hit the red X.
You want it to on or off?
Yeah, I want to leave it on. It's fine. We've turned it on. So hit the red X.
Okay.
And we're good.
All right.
Okay. I want to make sure that H2O bypass is on because there's basically what H2O bypass is. There's a setting that's native to Europe where there's a thing called water threshold, where if you're not calling for X amount of water, it's not going to use water. But I want to bypass that because that's not relevant to here in the U.S.
Okay.
So that's all we did right there. But yeah, you should be good. Keep an eye on this. Let me know. And let me know if you have any questions.
Okay.
Okay.
All your time and your help, bud. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.